So, what if we taught our dogs that every time somebody knocked on the door or rang the doorbell, if they ran and got in the crate, they got a cookie? And when they got in the crate, I would give them the cookie, I would shut the door, and then I would go to the front door and answer the door. And then when the new people came in, I'd be, hey, this is Liberty. She's a little crazy when she meets people. Give her a chance to calm down. Then I'll let you say hi. And that allows me to break down the behavior to where it's not happening every single time somebody comes in, and giving the dog an opportunity to relax, calm down, then come out and say hi.